Well, good day there folks, welcome back. We have arrived, great wilderness adventure weekend. So let's go check it out. I just arrived, probably can still see the straps from my backpack on my shirt imprinted, but yeah, let's go. It was a pretty long walk from the bus stop, so I can use a little rest and some water. Alright, this is our setup. I got Sea to Summit sleeping mat. This is gonna be my very small pillow. And I got the DD hammock sleeping bag there. I'm just waiting for the night. I like to roll it up, close it, so no bugs can get inside. Got here my bag, the label, keeping the lid up. You see, Velcro patch. This is my bag here, and we went for this Prusik knot loop on the line, so it's very easy to adjust it. On the line here, I got my mosquito net, hygiene pack, and some more loops here, some packs, just some stuff I was using to set up, and this will be what I use tonight. Hygiene pack, of course. So yeah. So it's the Saturday now, on this Bushcraft weekend, and we have to report at the entrance at 9:30 for the workshops to start. So that's what we're gonna do, because it's already 9:30. I'll see you there. We're gonna be listening to bird sounds, the language of birds, and see what they tell us. It's couscous with, I don't know how to call that in English actually. Spring onion, dried vegetables, and the sauce in there is from noodles, just powdered shiraha. So easy peasy. Just add hot water. That's my old headlight. my new one. There is a difference.
Hier, die something? Nee, not yet.
It's been cut from it.
So let's go find out what workshops we can follow. Maybe learn something new.
Ook dat hij een beetje is opgeruwd, zeg maar. Want dan houdt dat dopje beter.
Ik zie dat deze kant ietsje lichter is.
Alles doorgegeven, helemaal prima.
All packed and ready to go again.